This is Auntie Stick. She's plucking with this. Namaste everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, right now I'm in Agartala, Tripura. I came here to apply for my Bangladesh visa. But right now I'm gonna show you the time. You can see the time. It's 4:45 am in the morning. And it has become so bright, so I thought I'll go for a morning walk and I'll show you Tripura. I know I won't be able to show you people right now because it's empty, it's morning time, but I'll try to show you the surroundings. So this area is like Kunjaban. I'm staying in Kunjaban from past few days. Front you can see one small park, that is Heritage Park, where it's written I love Tripura. And this is the empty streets of Agartala, Tripura. You can see their bus stops. I really like it. It is park, and also they have this displaying boards everywhere. It displays the weather and important messages. And also I love their flora. They have so many beautiful flowers. Especially you will find Burma creeper everywhere. I'll show you. I don't know which building is this, but this is some kind of, wait, that is PWD, Water Resource Department, that one. This is the park. I mean behind this. People are doing their morning walk, and here people they start plucking flowers from 4:30 am only. Park. One thing I like about Tripura is it's very clean. Even their roads are clean and things are very organized over here, and people they follow the rules. That is the good thing. Now I'll show you the empty street. See, this is the benefit of early morning vlogging. You won't find humans. See that flower, Burma creeper, you will find everywhere. See, Burma creeper. See, and guys, people here they have so much of benefit of getting extra time, because here it gets brighter at 4:30 am only. So they have so much of time and so many hours to do their work. The day starts from 4:30 a.m. and ends, it gets dark around 6 or 7 p.m. So nice, no? I can't wait to be in the mountains. I have to just do few adventures and then I'll be back in the mountains, far away from everyone and with amazing humans. So that roundabout is from Rotary Club. This is, I don't know the name of this trees of that, and that jackfruit. No jackfruits. You can see this is rotatory triangle. I'm gonna show you. You can see rotatory Agartala city. Create hope in the world. Correct. I'm doing that. Rotatory triangle. So, and Bangladesh High Assistant Commission is very close from here. It's not so far. And one thing you will notice here, on the electric poles they have that wrapped the light thing of tricolor, Indian national flag color. You can see this here also, and it's everywhere in Agartala. It's very, very hot in Tripura. Not only Tripura, the northeast India and North India, even south also. It's very, very hot. It's not even 5 a.m. in the morning and I'm sweating. Everyone has come for a walk. This is their water supply. You can see the dam. See, so nice, no? In the morning it looks so peaceful and calm. When I came here, I came like 3 or 4 days ago. For few days I didn't see any traffic, but after few days, oh my god, in the city and it was walking day. This you can see it is Tripura Forest Development and Plantation Corporation Limited. This TFDPC Bhavan. It's really nice to vlog early in the morning because after 8 a.m., 9 a.m. it gets very sunny and very, very hot. Even dogs are on their money plant. Oh, I forgot to tell you about Tripura. Tripura is the third smallest state of India after Goa and Sikkim, I think. And here they mainly speak three languages. They speak Bengali, English, and Kokborok. That is their tribal language. This is Auntie Stick. She's plucking with this. She's bringing all the flowers down and all. पूजा ना
पूजा
जाके
लागल भाई ना ऊपर है
नमस्ते और
लागल भाई दमना
हो गया बाय थैंक यू सो नाइस So this is the circuit house again. You can see circuit house Agartala, and this is Ravindra Khannan weekly off Friday welcome. What is this? I don't know. This is also a park. Yeah, this is also a park. Here are also so many flowers. I'll pluck more flower for auntie. See. Until went. It was so nice to help her. They all carried one iron stick. For like they can't reach top, so they pull it through that and then they pluck it. So nice. Finally I'm enjoying. First of all, I am having my headphones on and I'm vlogging, and then I'm not looking at the road here and there, and simply I'm crossing. And at 5 am also there are so many people, auto rickshaws and all. So I think this is coconut you want. So I think this is circuit house roundabout, Radhanagar bus stand, Assam Rifle circuit house. Radhanagar bus stand, Assam Rifle circuit house. And now this Bangladesh High Assistant Commission is not so far from here. You want to see? This is the road which goes towards the city. I like their bus stops. This is Circuit House bus stop, Agartala Smart City. And here also, here you can see the boards now, the display board. There they also display the temperature, which is so nice. You will find everywhere. Now I have come so far. I think I'll make that in another vlog. Or you want to see now? No, I'll make it in another vlog. I'll return from here now. Nice. So guys, I'm returning back. I think I through this you got little bit idea of Tripura, Agartala, how it looks. I will be going back. So guys, I helped auntie with plucking flowers. It's very sweet. हिंदी जानी
हिंदी जानी
जानबो
ना दादा गाइड
हिंदी जानी ना
ना जानी ना
हाँ
बांग्ला जानी
আমি বাংলা বুঝি
বুঝে
हाँ my broken বাংলা
চলো পুরো দিকে ঘুরতে যাই আর কি
हाँ हाँ so nice
বাংলা বুঝে না
हाँ বাংলা বুঝে
हिंदी আমরা नहीं बोलते
कोई बात नहीं मैं थोड़ा बांग्ला जानी से
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है
पार्क नो
হ্যাঁ এটা পার্ক
पार्क আছে
ওকে বিকালে বিকালে
हाँ हाँ
10 টাকা
10 টাকা
দিয়ে ঘুরে টিফিন খাওয়ান যায় বড় জায়গা
पार्क the entrance is 10 rupees and this is Polo Towers Hotel
এটা সিনেমা হল ওই বই যে
cinema hall also
আসবে হ্যাঁ
oh auntie told me this is cinema hall हाँ हाँ
হবে উপরে
mall
মল
हाँ हाँ
কাপড়
oh this is Polo Central Mall inside they have multiplex also I'm sweating now it's very very hot
গমন হাউস আগে রাজ্যপাল থাকতে
हाँ हाँ
রাজ্যপাল
oh Rajyapal
গমন হাউস
हाँ हाँ that is government house auntie is saying Hindi in her language I don't know what Rajpal is called so this is Rajpal house I think governor's house this one governor
গভর্নর
ah this is governor house
গভর্নর
Can see. खूब गर्मी ना
ভীষণ গরম
भीषण गरम
কলকাতা যখন গেছি আমরা এরকম গরম আছে কলকাতাতে
हाँ हाँ
আমাদের আগরতলা গরম
सवेरे सवेरे ही गरम 5 बजे 5 बजे and खूब भीषण गरम so भीषण गरम learned something new Bangla word I learned very hot भीषण गरम
ভিডিও
she's making a video
আরে ভিডিও করতে করতে চলছে
she's also making
সব
video
হাঁটা মর্নিং ওয়াক
हाँ morning walk video
মর্নিং সবাই রোজ আমরা এদিকে মর্নিং
हाँ
ওয়াক
हाँ daily
ডেলি রোজ
हाँ
রোজ আসবো ফুল নিব মর্নিং ওয়াক করবো
इधर फूल तोड़ून 4:30 बजे से
সব নিয়ে যাক
हाँ सब
সব নিয়ে যাক
खूब पूजा मानुष करते
হ্যাঁ
I don't even know what I'm speaking in Bangla
সবাই ফুল পারে ওই জন্য সবাই পূজা পূজা
हाँ हाँ
হ্যাঁ কেউ আছে মর্নিং ওয়াক করতেছে
नाम
আমরা লোকে যারা
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ।
ওই যে যাইতাছে সবাই আমরা একসাথে 5টা থেকে বাইরে
ओ
বাইরে হাট
5 नहीं 4:30
ছেড়ে উঠি ভয় ভয় লাগে
हाँ
5টায় আই 5টা
कुंजबन ना
কুঞ্জবন
4:30
কুঞ্জবন বাড়ি
She's saying people start plucking flowers from 5 a.m. only. I was like, no, from 4:30 they start plucking.
কত ফুল
हाँ
নমুনা
ना
হাঁটুন এখন হাঁটুন
now this morning walk has become very interesting. This is Nehru Park. So many parks are here.
কত ফুল এই পার্কে ঢুকলো 10 টাকা
हाँ सब पार्क सब भीतर 10 टका 10
10
टका.
টাকা এই বিনাদি এটা আম বাতা লইছো নি
You can see all the aunties are working out. They are so much into fitness. So nice. They have made my morning so friendly, so funny. Exercise, good for health.
Good for health. Health is wealth.
Yeah.
দেখে আয়
And they are bantering with each other. So nice.
এটা চন্দন পত্রিকা থেকে আরম্ভ করে আনন্দ বাজার পত্রিকা থেকে সব পত্রিকা দেখবেন ত্রিপুরা টাইমস দেবো কিন্তু
Tripura Times, the Hindustan Times.
হিন্দুস্তান টাইমস 1 2 3 4
See. So nice to see this.
আস্তে আস্তে
খুব ভালো খুব ভালো
गुड
very good
इतने लोगों में मैं एक जेंट्स हूँ
कृष्णा
भगवान गोपाल
ভগবান গোপাল
सब बुढ़ा या राधा
गोपिया लोग
কৃষ্ণ লাগে উস্কা কৃষ্ণ কালা কৃষ্ণ উস্কা হয়েছে
ये भी इसका भाग अच्छा है ना नसीब अच्छा है
नसीब बहुत अच्छा है
आ जाओ
যাওগা আয় যাও
स्कूल तो बंद हो
পড়াশোনা নেবা আয় বউ না যাবো তো
आयो ना একটু
পড়াশোনা নেবা 1 2 3 করবা যাও আমি করি আমি করতে 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 আয়ো 1 2 3
all the aunties are so active
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
so guys I'm done with walking and on my way I met amazing aunties. I went for a walk with them and they all really made my day so nice, but I did more than 10 kilometers of walking and now my legs are so dead and I am so dead. But one thing I noticed here in Tripura, they have very heavy competition for plucking the flowers early in the morning. Everyone I see with one iron rod and then their polythene bag and they pluck flowers and then they keep it and they start from like 4:30 am in the morning. And also one thing I noticed here people are very health conscious. If you come here and if you go for a walk in the morning, then you will find you know so many like old people, women, men walking out. Here more than youngsters, old people, they are walking out and it's so nice to see. I'll show you one thing. see the time. Now it's 6:38 a.m. in the morning, but it looks like afternoon. So guys, now I'll end my today's vlog over here, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye.